Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today we going to have short Africa food. So I'll tell you how you can order because right now I'm in Delhi. So yesterday we went to their shop. So we have already food there. Then they are saying we can order from online also. So they give their card. See nicely. So you can call in this number. So right now I'm in Gurgaon, so I ordered food. The food is this full fish, I think 1 kg, and we order a fufu and rice, and this is a beef curry. So this I bought from Bangalore. So food is only 800 rupees, but they sent from the auto, so they charge 500 rupees. But if you are in Delhi or Gurgaon, you can order. They will deliver your food. So I'm so excited. Then the food is so yummy. So let's start. It's I started very hungry because she don't like fufu, so she orders steamed rice. But not sure we can finish this. Short Africa restaurant where is Chhatarpur, na? But better you should go and have in restaurant. It will be more good because it's very hot. Because after delivering, it's a little bit good. But nice. Yeah, no, it's not. Oh, very tasty.
Over spicy lover ako.
Because yesterday, yesterday we went to their shop and we eat there. There is not fresh one, but this is a fresh one. Then they have freezer food, so we just think let's eat, order and eat. But so tasty. You want plate? Fuck, so tasty. But we ordered beef curry, but only I think there's
Gravy.
match. That's why look like gravy. Try fufu na. But food is cheap, okay? But main like
Spicy.
main thing which they are delivering now, auto driver they will charge 500 rupees. Well, if you're in Gurgaon, Delhi, you can order, which I saw the card, no? We can dial their number.
The rice is only one.
No.
I think one.
Oh, so yummy.
Yes, ah.
Good huh?
진짜 뭐 시시야 시 말라마. Only gravy
Room
only.
number 206.
Okay,
White
매운
rice,
살아.
basic. White rice 6.
Oh, I forget to tell you one thing. Like, if you like South Africa food, now you just go YouTube, okay? Then they have lots of mukbang, and you can send them. I want like that. Then they will cook and they will
Tasty.
do home deliver. Of course, it's expensive but very tasty. Food is cheap, but over travel they will just 500 rupees because we're in Gurgaon sector 29. Yes, they're in Chhatarpur, so very far for them.
울다? 울다 산래. Matilda. I don't know.
Oh, so yummy.
Finish the by English. First time.
Yeah. South Africa, well, I will say you can try this fish, beef curry, and then chicken curry. Next level.
I have full stomach.
Oh, getting so much beer. Almost done because it's all our gone, so let her eat after camera is off. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you want to order, I only show you their what is that link card, so you can order from there and enjoy it all there. So bye bye.